Jean-Jacques Rousseau was a French philosopher born in 1712, renowned for his transformative ideas on education, politics, and human nature. In one of his most notable works, The Social Contract, Rousseau posited that legitimate government must be founded on the will of the people. He championed the intrinsic goodness of humanity and contended that societal structures frequently corrupted this natural state. Another of his seminal works, Émile, revolutionized educational thought by advocating for experiential learning. Rousseau's principles regarding individual freedom and equality became the bedrock for contemporary democratic and educational theories. Upon his death in 1778, Rousseau left an indelible mark on the realms of philosophy and political theory.